you for joining me, everyone. This is Rachel Doe back with another video. This is going to be a very quick room tour here at the Lodge in Osaka Bay. This is located about a 10-minute walk from Universal Studios Japan. Now I checked in, it's almost midnight, just like last time I came to USJ. I'm so tired, so I'm gonna do a really quick overview of this room. And fun fact, I actually stayed here in 2018 with my mother-in-law. And although that memory is dear to my heart, I did just pick this hotel because it was the cheapest next to the park. So we've got a space theme going on, and I booked this 2 days in advance. They do provide pajamas, we've got our towels out. The room was super hot when I came in today. Even though it's the end of September, it's not that hot out, so I'm definitely gonna turn on the AC. It is one of these old style Daikins. I used to have one of these in my old Japanese apartment. This is a double moderate room, although a lot of Westerners might find these to be twins. Looking at them too, this looks like a twin bed and this looks like a moderate. But I'm just crashing here for the night, so no big deal. We have nothing over here, which is great. You can lay out your luggage. A dehumidifier, and then the air con is up here. There's a little sitting area with 2 chairs. If you move this away, there's a pretty good amount of space, even though it's a small bathroom. The tub is the thing that's super small. And I will point out, there was some hair here on the bathroom floor, so quick look at the amenities. And you can get the other things down in the lobby, but they actually were out of a lot of them when I came in tonight. We have some hangers, room spray. Now over here is the toilet. It's actually nice that it's a separate room in case you're sharing with people. Over here we have the kettle and the hairdryer, more cups I won't be touching, the safe, and the mini fridge was not on when I came in, so you do have to turn that on yourself. These are just the things I grabbed from the lobby. So a cotton pad, toothbrush and toothpaste, and a razor. And of course I've got my in-room slippers. So I'm checking out of the hotel now, and you basically can just turn right and follow this road to Universal, but what I did last night was take this overpass, so I had a cool view of the backstage of the park, and it was just nicer than walking by the road, so I'm gonna do that again now. On one side of the hotel there's a 7-Eleven, and on the other side there's a Lawson. There's a really long ramp to get to the walkway. Now we're behind Universal Studios Japan. You see the flats. And then over there you see the hotels at Citywalk. Thank you so much for watching. A comment, like, and subscribe go a long way for my small channel. I already have a ton of tourism content on my channel and things to do around Florida, Las Vegas, Hawaii, Japan, and more. So be sure to check it out. And a lot of hotel tours. Most of them are way more detailed than this one. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.